What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Corey C again with Dwell Skateboards, and I have had enough. I think you've seen probably 4 different variations of this mini ramp, and as you can see in this scene right here, and right here, and I think there's one more, and yes, this one too. This thing is really hard to ride. It has a bunch of bumps in it. It's never ever been the same since we've taken the platform off of it, and we're going to redo that today. Alright, so just like that, we got our platform done. Nice and simple. Then we'll just screw down a piece of plywood, or we're trying to use that particle board. Then when we put the masonite back on it, we can screw everything down. So what was happening is we had certain spots that would flex anytime I get on it. So the entire time I'm being caught by something, which is why I was flying around the garage. So I think that'll make a pretty big difference. So well, let's get to it. Alright, so we definitely have enough of what we need in the right sizes, but they're mismatched, kind of annoying pieces. So we'll just start with the cleanest one, get it in place, and then start making measurements from there. I do know we need it to be a little bit over, so that we can screw on both sides of the platform. That's basically that.
I'm so cool.
Okay, so instead of putting shims across the bottom sporadically, we're going to try just throwing this under there, and then we should be good to put the sheeting back on.
And then I can go in.
And after we pick up the mess.